Escape to a serene Blue Ridge Mountains getaway in this breathtaking lakefront log cabin, surrounded by natural beauty and modern comforts. Imagine waking up to breathtaking sunrises over your own private lake filled with trout, brim, and more. Perfect for families or multi generational living. The upper level boasts a huge living area with exposed beams, high ceilings, and a cozy stone fireplace, while the lower level has an open plan living space and another fireplace, conveniently located just 15 minutes from the Asheville airport. This mountain paradise offers the best of both worlds. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.